In the world of manufacturing, profitability is the lifeblood of any business. If you're in this sector, you know that maintaining a healthy profit margin is crucial. But what happens when the numbers start to dip? When you sense that something isn't quite right, it's essential to take a step back and evaluate the signs of underperformance. Today, we're diving deep into the 10 warning signs that your manufacturing business might be on shaky ground, how to recognize these symptoms early, and what you can do to turn things around. Let's start with the first sign: declining revenue. If you've noticed a consistent drop in sales, it's time to pay attention. This could stem from a multitude of factors, such as soaring raw material costs or a slowdown in demand for your products. A decrease in revenue is often the first red flag that something is amiss. You might have implemented cost-cutting measures, perhaps reducing your workforce or scaling back production, but these are often temporary fixes that don't address the root of the problem. If you find yourself in this situation, take a hard look at your manufacturing processes. Are you stuck in outdated methods? Are there inefficiencies that you've overlooked? Next up is declining profit margins. Profit margins are the lifeblood of any manufacturing operation, and when they start to shrink, it's a sign that something is wrong. This could mean you're selling products for less than it costs to produce them, perhaps due to fierce competition or obsolete technology. If your margins are slipping, it's essential to analyze your pricing strategy and operational efficiency. Are you producing more with less? Are you innovating to stay ahead of the competition? Increased costs are another critical sign of underperformance. If you're seeing a rise in raw material or labor costs, it's time to investigate. This could indicate that you're not using your resources efficiently, leading to higher production costs. A spike in costs can also reflect poor inventory management, resulting in stockouts or excess inventory. It's crucial to monitor these expenses closely and address them before they spiral out of control. Reduced output can be another alarming indicator. If your production levels are falling below expectations, it could be due to downtime, inefficiencies, or quality issues. Reduced output not only affects your bottom line, but can also lead to lost sales and lower customer satisfaction. To combat this, consider streamlining your processes and improving quality control. Remember, every minute of downtime is a minute of lost revenue. Now, let's talk about employee turnover. High turnover rates can be a significant indicator of underlying problems within your organization. If your employees are leaving in droves, it might signal dissatisfaction with their roles, inadequate pay, or limited advancement opportunities. Keeping an eye on turnover rates can help you identify issues before they escalate. Investing in employee satisfaction and retention strategies can significantly impact your overall productivity and profitability. Next, failing productivity levels can indicate a lack of engagement or poor management practices. If your team isn't working at their best, it's vital to pinpoint the causes. Are you providing adequate training? Are your employees motivated and engaged? Addressing these questions can help you foster a more productive environment. Increasing customer complaints or product returns is another sign that something is off. If customers are voicing dissatisfaction, it's essential to investigate the root causes. Are you cutting corners in quality control? Are your products meeting customer expectations? Swiftly addressing these complaints can help maintain your reputation and profitability. Eroding market share is a significant concern in today's competitive landscape. If you notice that your products are losing ground to competitors, it's time to take action. This erosion could stem from changes in customer preferences, technological advancements, or new entrants into the market. To combat this, you must adapt and innovate continuously. Understand your customers' needs and be willing to pivot your strategies to meet them. Deteriorating relationships with key suppliers can also signal trouble. If your suppliers are consistently late or providing lower quality materials, it could lead to production delays and increased costs. Maintaining strong relationships with your suppliers is crucial for a smooth manufacturing process. If you notice a decline in these relationships, take the time to address the issues before they escalate. Lastly, let's not forget about the importance of monitoring typical manufacturing indicators. Many companies rely heavily on these indicators, such as output levels and machine uptime. However, these metrics can often miss early signs of underperformance. They provide a snapshot of what's happening, but don't always reflect the underlying issues. By supplementing these indicators with real-time data and a more holistic view of your operations, you can catch problems before they become critical. So, what can you do if you recognize these signs in your manufacturing business? First, evaluate your situation. Take a step back and assess what's causing the problems. Is it a specific area that needs improvement? Once you've identified the issues, create a concrete plan to address them. This plan should include realistic and achievable goals. If you're struggling to turn things around on your own, don't hesitate to seek help from experts. There are numerous resources available to help you troubleshoot and solve problems in your business. Sometimes an outside perspective can provide the clarity you need to move forward. Now, let's discuss some key strategies for improving profitability in manufacturing. One of the most effective approaches is implementing a data-driven strategy. By leveraging data to guide your decisions, you can identify areas of waste and inefficiency and optimize your production processes. Investing in technology and training your staff to interpret this data can yield significant rewards. Another strategy is adopting lean manufacturing principles. Lean manufacturing focuses on reducing waste in all areas of production, from time to materials. By streamlining your operations, you can enhance efficiency and reduce costs. This approach also improves quality control, leading to higher customer satisfaction. Increasing automation is another avenue worth exploring. Automating specific tasks can speed up production and reduce labor costs while improving product quality and consistency. Whether it's through robotics or computer-controlled machines, automation can significantly enhance your manufacturing processes. Improving quality control should also be a priority. Quality control isn't just about inspecting products at the end of the line. It's about ensuring that every step of the manufacturing process meets customer expectations. Involving employees in quality control can help catch potential issues early and avoid costly mistakes. Lastly, consider implementing cost reduction initiatives. Streamlining operations, negotiating better terms with suppliers, and finding ways to use less expensive materials can all contribute to improved profitability. However, be cautious and evaluate the potential impact of these initiatives before making changes. In conclusion, recognizing the signs of underperformance in manufacturing is crucial for maintaining profitability. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can identify issues early and implement effective strategies to turn your business around. Remember, the goal is not just to react to problems, but to create a culture of continuous improvement. By fostering a proactive mindset, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges of the manufacturing landscape and ensure long-term success. So, keep your eyes open, stay informed, and take action when necessary. Your bottom line will thank you.